Good morning from our cow pen. That little calf over there, her name is Dakota. She is our newest addition to our cow family because she's adopted. She's about a month old, but a week ago today, or yesterday, we adopted her because her mom didn't make it. So she needed someone to help give her milk and feed her and take care of her. And oats. So she's now in our cow pen, and you can see she's got a lot of friends on the other side of the fence. So she'll be set free to go with them hopefully soon when she starts eating a little bit better. Today we're talking about the word calf because our silent letter of today is L. And if you can take a look at these letters, these three letters, A, L, and F, we don't hear the L. When A, L, and F walk together, you only hear the A and the F. K-af. So I'm going to take a C and add it on there, and we have the word calf. Calf. Another silent letter would be L down here, but this is not calf. This is, hold on, yep, there's the word calf. This is the word awk, or the sound awk. Now we can make it into a word like this, walk. The calf will walk. This A doesn't say ah, it says aw. It's a short O sound, awk. So I have a couple of cards here that we're gonna hold up. Avery, you wanna go ahead and flash it to the screen? And you guys go ahead and read those words out loud as Avery shows them to you, please.
Good job.
Nice silent letter reading there. We have awk and af. But this word on this board doesn't have either of those. In fact, this is a little lesson from last week's phonics. If you can remember, when we have a word that ends with a Y, it can sometimes make an I sound. So let's look at this word, cry. Now, I don't like to hear babies cry, and I know you don't either. But what happens if a baby keeps doing it? We say that that baby cries. That means we're going to have a suffix with an ES. Let's put it up there. Uh-oh. That's not right, because we have to change the Y to an I when the suffix has an E. So let's take this down, and I am going to write the new word, cries, on the board. You can see I changed the Y to an I, and I added the suffix with an E. On your paper today, you will see words that end with Y. You're going to need to change the to an I before adding a suffix with an E. Speaking of paper, pick it up here. I'd like you to circle the silent consonants, the consonants that you don't hear in these words. There might be one or there could be two. Be careful. Here's our change the Y to an I word.
The suffix has an E.
When the suffix has an E, flip it over. You have the sentence that needs to be matched with the picture. And at the very bottom, if you remember, ABC order, alphabetical order. I'm going to ask you to look at the first letter. Well, Mrs. Brown, they both start with an M. What do I do? You go to the next letter. So Avery, if you'll hold this really still for me. And we're going to underline the second letter in each word. Does E or I come first in the alphabet? Well, we would say that E does. So the M-E word will go first, and the M-I word will go next. You'll need to do the same thing for these words over here on this page. All right, guys. Have a great day. Bye, Dakota.